Hi, I'm Alisha, the Sew Crafty Teacher. Welcome to my channel. Hey everyone, I am headed to Hobby Lobby to pick up some fabrics. Hopefully I can take you along with me to see what kind of fabrics I'm picking out. And I'll see you when I get there. So I just pulled up to Hobby Lobby. Oh my goodness, I love this place. I don't know about your city, but I'm in Nashville. And we are required to wear a mask everywhere unless we're dining in and eating, which is still limited seating at this time. This is one of my face masks I made with my monogram, and here we go, head into Hobby Lobby. Let's get some fabric. The fabric section. I cannot wait to spend my gift cards I got from students and family.
Katie B, dollar extension 16, place code 1. Katie B, extension 16, code 1.
All right, I'm gonna stop and look.
Joe, call 23, Joe, 23.
Okay, so I am headed to pick up my daughter from work. Hobby Lobby was crazy. Just about everything in there was discounted, either half off, and all the Christmas items were 66% off. I don't know if you know this, but in Nashville, there was a explosion in downtown Nashville. A bomb went off and destroyed some businesses. Well, because of that, cell phone services doesn't work, and they didn't accept gift cards, which I had a gift card for over $100. So yeah, that's it. I will show you what I got once I get to the house. Okay, so I want to show you what I purchased from Hobby Lobby. I got this cute little sign. It says, "Do more what makes you happy." And teaching and creating makes me very happy. I also got this to hold my little push pins, and then you can stick the pins here. This was 50% off. This was 50% off. And here I have fabric. I bought a yard red fabric. I'm going to be making a lot of mock-ups, and also I just need more red fabric. So this is a yard. I'm going to be making a Valentine shirt, and it's a dog on it, and the dog is a golden doodle. So this is the background for the golden doodle. I'm so excited. And I got some blue with some little lines on it, it's a little sparkly. I also have this. This is so cute. It's pink and white, and it has little hearts on it. I love this pattern. This fabric is so soft. Everything I have is cotton. This has a little glitter, a little shimmer to it, but I'm still going to add it to one of my Valentine shirts. It's a shark eating a heart, and part of the shark to make it look like it has like water dripping off of. Anywho, so then I got gingham fabric. I got hot pink and white, light pink and white. It is red and white. Got some, what is this for? St. Patrick's Day. So I got this for St. Patrick's Day. I'm gonna do several designs soon. Purple and white, gingham fabric. Easter. Oh my goodness, look at those colors. So pretty. More red, I couldn't resist. I love red. And this red has little patterns in it. And also this pink. It's like a washed pink look. And so I have that. And then I have yellow fabric. Here's the push pins. This goes with this. I'm actually out. This is my second purchase. I have a larger one, and then I need to get more of these because I actually take my fabric and I store it and pin it, and I'll show you that. If you saw my first video, my A fell down. This was also half off, and I could not stick it back on the wall, and I didn't want to put glue on it, so I just bought another one. It's only like 75 cents. So my A will be back up. And the last thing for these baskets, they are so cute. I did a little restructuring, move things around a little bit. Got these cute little baskets. It's gonna be for supplies. I have ideas for these. They were half off, so they're $9.99. So half off. So $4.98, something to that effect. And I am actually gonna take these and put them here. Make some adjustments, and that's my bolts of fabric I have. All right, so that is all I got from Hobby Lobby, and I'm going to show you what I use and how I put it away. So keep watching. I am going to show you everything I do before I put my fabric away. I take a comic book cardboard insert, things like 7.5 by 10. I got a stack of these, like 400 of them for like $10 on Amazon. And this is the fabric I bought today. So what I do, use this little card, just like the bolts that they have. And I take my fabric and I fold it like this. I teach elementary, so it's the hot dog fold, not the hamburger fold. Okay, so then I take, take my ends, and then I just roll it, or flip it rather. And then I take the pins and I put it in there, just like they do in the store. And then there you go, I have it, and it stays. And then I take it and I put it up. So I'm gonna do a couple more. So cardboard, fabric. I like to do the hot dog fold, long ways. I take just a little bit and I do it just like this. This keeps my fabric from wrinkling, and then I can also organize it better, and I have more easier access to it. I'm not searching or digging for fabric. I like for it all to be nice and neat. So I have those two, and now I'm just going to show you how I store it. So here is my fabric stash, fabric corner. First I have up is yellow fabric. So what I do, I look for the label, orange, yellow, green, Halloween fabric. I have some yellows, but they're like fat quarters, and I wanted some brighter ones, so you can see that. I take that and I store it in there, and I push it in. And my next one is pink. So we're gonna look for pink. Oh, I believe pink and polka dot is over here. Slide open this drawer, and then I put it over there. And I'm gonna do the rest like that. So that's it for today. I am going to finish putting away fabric. Hopefully my next video will be of me working on my samples. So I hope to do some samples tonight and probably tomorrow as well. And I will just record my steps and what I'm doing and what my samples look like. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your support, and you have a wonderful night. Ciao.